your experience to public on Roblox. So in order to start, first launch your Roblox application, and once the Roblox application appears, you need to click onto this more icon at the bottom right. And once you will do this, you will see an interface like this. And now in this particular interface, you will need to scroll down a little and you can see this create button right here. So simply click on this create button and it will open the create page as you can see here, and then simply scroll down and you will see your experiences. So simply choose that particular experience that you want, and once you will click onto that particular experience, it will simply show you this particular option. Now in this menu you need to choose the manage experiences, and once you will click onto the manage experiences, you can see this shows the content settings. Now from here simply scroll down and add the privacy. If it is set to private, you can simply choose it to public and your experience will be made public. So that's how easy it is to set your experience as public on Roblox. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.